yes, there are a lot of AI tools out there, but nothing beats an AI tool that can create pictures and videos for you at the same time. The AI tool I'm going to be showing you on this video today is super. When you hear Indian people say super, this is what they are actually talking about. Super. Why? I love it so much. Hello there, if you are hearing my voice from any part of the globe, my name is Jamilat and this is the 18 of our 30 days AI video challenge, and today I'm going to be showing you a super amazing tool that can do a lot of things for you, that can research, generate pictures, animate that same picture for you. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into it. Now all you have to do is head over to your Chrome and you type Quen, Qwen, yeah, Quen Quen AI, and that is it. Is this very first one here, but it actually do come in two. You can see this first one and this second one. Any one of them you are clicking, you will end up at this Quen chat. Let me just show you. So if you click on this Quen AI, you actually end up in this Quen chat. So this is what the Quen AI looks like. Okay, this is exactly what it looks like. You can see edit, image edit, thinking, search, web development, artifact, deep research, video generation, image generation. So this is what exactly it looks like. You can go through it yourself. Then you come out, you click on that chat Quen AI. Okay, Queen, is it Queen? Please don't laugh me. So let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so this is what it is looking like. You can download the app, you can download the app. So you can see this everything down here. You see where I'm actually clicking, right? So you can see that it can actually plan your travel for you. Wow. So for the image generation, you can click on this place. So this is what it looks like. We have image generation, look at it. We have the sizes, that's what I wanted to say, the ratio. So since mine is YouTube, let me just pick this one. Okay, so we don't have a prompt yet. We are going to go to chat GPT and ask for a prompt. So today we are going to be creating a content that revolve around a small family. So let's go to ChatGPT and ask for a prompt. Okay, so this is our ChatGPT and we are going to just type this. Give me a detailed prompt to generate a typical Nigerian family sitting. Oh my god, school no be scam. Sitting in a living room. I want the image to be perfect for animation. Okay, so we'll just send that in and wait for ChatGPT to give us our prompt. Okay, so here is the prompt. As you can see, everything is detailed. The father, the mother, everyone. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. Okay, so we can copy this just like this. Copy. Boom. Did y'all notice that ChatGPT updated recently? Okay, I don't know how to explain it, but there is an update. I don't really like this update though, but let's just continue. I'll tell you about the update later. So you can just paste this here. Oh my gosh, I think okay, this has studio quality. Okay, so everything is all set. Then we'll just click on this send. So ChatGPT updated recently. As you can see, everything is jam-packed. The paragraph, they are not spaced. There is no spacing between the paragraph. In English language, you cannot just write paragraph like this. A paragraph, like the maximum, should be 11 lines. So this is what ChatGPT looks like when you copy it now. Like, I don't know if it is my dashboard or if that is it. Wait, let me show you something. You see over here it has spaces. I don't know if it is my, what's it called, if it is my keyboard, I mean not dashboard, if it is my keyboard. But that time before now, when you long press this place, it's going to give you an option for you to select or for you to copy everything. But now if you long press it, it's just showing you two options: copy, select all. And when you click on select all, this is what you get. Oh my gosh. So that is the new update. I don't really like this one. I prefer the older one. And it is not my phone. No, I tried it in the other phone and it is still the same. But regardless, let's just go. So the picture is actually a cartoon quality, not realistic. Despite the fact that we said realistic, oh my god, we can still use this, but you can try something on your own. Okay, so we can still take ChatGPT to give us a prompt we can use to animate the picture perfectly. Something funny, like a character or two characters saying something funny, or okay, let's leave it at that. Okay, so let's see if this is going to work or not. Okay, let's try this option 1. Animate the father from the Nigerian family. Okay, no, there should be no audio so that YouTube don't flag this video. So you can already see the create video here. So just click on that create video. The picture automatically uploads to they call it input, is it input box? Yeah, input box. So you can just paste this here. Let's see if that is everything. Okay, so we can just click on this place. This is actually not as fast as a lot of AI video generation, so you can just go off and come back in, and when you are back it will be ready. So after some time, this is what we have. Mind you, if you are generating this video and you leave this place then come back again, it might just tell you error, then you have to like regenerate it. So if you are generating videos from this place, you always like, to avoid story that touches the art, just stay on the interface like this. So let's see. This one a calabar they speak or waiting. Oh my gosh, prompting went wrong. Okay, I'm going to try the prompt again. Let me download this one first, because we add this first doesn't mean we can't do something else. Okay, so let me edit the prompt. Let me put space in between all of them. Okay, let's do it like this. If you see people creating AI videos out there and you are saying that the AI videos are all perfect, they are this, they are that, I don't want you to feel bad that, oh, if I try, work, this, that. No. All the AI videos you see people post, they took time. I've seen someone create a 20-minute video in 5 hours. I've done it too. There's a video I currently abandon right now because of this stress. So when you try the first time and it is not working, that doesn't mean you should give up. Okay, you have to try again and again and again. So this app, or this, what's it called, this tool, like, you can create only 5 videos in a day, then the next day you create another one. So this is 2, okay, and you can log in as many email as possible, as many email as you want. So just keep trying, keep doing your thing, and I'm rooting for you big time. Okay, remember, you don't have to do exactly the same thing I'm doing. Brainstorm, sit down, like, craft your ideas, do your thing, do your magic. I am just here to show you, this is this one, this is that one. With that knowledge, you can do a lot of things. Okay, so this is the second one. Let's see.
In this house, once a bit again, everybody remembers that nobody remembers again. I am.
It's still saying Giblish. Okay, I can try again on my own, I can try again on my own. Let me see where the problem is coming from. It has to be with the words. So I can go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to, like, justify that, like, just help me edit it and all that. Okay, so look at where I put this dialogue. See, look at how far it's this is not where it's supposed to be. So I can try again and again and again, and I will drop the video at the end of this tutorial. It will be at the end of this video. So that is just it. Okay, you can regenerate it, you can say you like it or not. You are seeing these icons here, and mind you, it's just 5 seconds. Okay, just 5 seconds.
Torch.
Now listen to this.
In this house, once Nipa takes light, everybody suddenly remembers they have phone torch.
Oh my gosh, you see, now it is perfect. Now look at the prompt. You see, let the father stand up and say, in this house, once Nepa take light, everyone suddenly remembers that they have phone torch. His tone and accent must be typically Nigerian. You can see that this time around I was able to figure out where the problem was from, and I made the prompt this simple. You'll be wondering if I didn't try this out before teaching. No, I did try it out. I'm going to be putting my own videos at the end of this. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the backstage of all those beautiful images and pictures you see. I am actually that person that is heavy on being real, being honest. So when people see my creation, they'll be like, oh wow, I wish I can. You can do it. It is not even something you have to, like, think if you can do it. You can do it, my dear. You seeing me do it doesn't mean it took me just 1 minute. No, you put in the effort before you see the result. So today I decided to start the video without showing you the aftermath. I decided to go through all these hooks and corners with you. Even if you are using ChatGPT needs you as much as you need ChatGPT. So you need your human touch, your senses, your common sense. Yeah, you need you. So when ChatGPT give you a prompt and it is not working, you can tweak it, my dear. You can do something about it. I didn't want this video to be long and long. I could have shown you the cutting, the putting, the this, the that, the this one. So after you've generated scene 1 like this, you can just hold on to this, click on this edit, and say what you want the next scene to be. Okay, you can do it like that, and before you know, you've gotten a 20 seconds video, a 30 seconds video. So this is 1027. If I use the five generations of this email, I'll have to wait for like 3 hours or 5 hours before I'll be able to generate something else. Okay, so I am just trying to show you what the backstage, what it looks like behind the scene, what every AI creator out there is facing, and every other thing. So once you are not getting it right, you don't have to give up. You have to continue trying, continue doing it until you get it. Okay, you've seen how it is done, now it is left for you to do it. I am rooting for you big time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm so happy. This is day 18, 12 more videos and we will be done with this. I love you so much. I'm rooting for you big time, and ta-da!
I am the head of the house. I take care of my family.
I am the mother of the house. I cook for the family.
I am the first son of the house. I care for my kid sister. I am the first daughter of the house. I love my big brother.
Why does 1 + 1 = 2?